Haïti, 1er janvier 1804. En 2004, 200 ans. Haïti chérie.
Everybody that is naturalized, whether you're Haitian-American, Haitian-Canadian, Haitian French, you can also have your Haitian citizenship. And go to any consulate or any embassy and go through the process and get your Haitian passport. And out of that Haitian passport means that you can also have your identification card, which is also your voter card. A big door has been opened in the fact that they can now hold their passport and voter's ID card in order for them to be able to vote. And my will, that of the president, the prime minister, and myself, is that the diaspora votes.
Just an incredibly interesting event. You know, we don't come obviously from the Haitian background, but we're just here to learn as much as we can and just see the types of investment opportunities in Haiti that we knew nothing about, and it's just a really cool event, and it's just great to be a part of it.
Those elected officials that have background in Haiti, that are Haitian Americans themselves, they understand Haiti's challenges, they understand the capacity issues that Haitians in Haiti face, the opportunities to build capacity, the experiences that help somebody gain capacity. And since they're in positions of power now, they can have much more leverage in changing that system so that we make development, and we put our resources and we invest in Haiti in a way that creates greater independence as opposed to dependency. They're part of that system. It's easier for them to change it than necessarily those of us who are working on the other end, aren't part of it or trying to change it from outside.
What I would say to you is, if you think that you here and you go to Haiti for a week or two a year and expect that your business will succeed, it will not happen. To be successful in Haiti or wherever, you have to be there, or you have to have an infrastructure that represents you. So the bottom line is that you have to make those sacrifices. You have to be in Haiti. You have to invest in Haiti, 2-3 week vacation per year, and hope that during that time you will capitalize on the business opportunity in Haiti. You are wrong.
One of our biggest assets in the diaspora is the human resource capital that exists in the diaspora. Whether it's young professionals, whether it is professionals currently working, whether it's retired professionals, there is a rich human resource capital that resides outside of Haiti, and it's one of our biggest assets. The ministry is prepared to launch a program in January where we will facilitate young professionals or retired professionals to go to Haiti for a certain amount of time to share their expertise, to help certain institutions, whether public or private, in their respective fields. And this is something that I think will be beneficial both to Haiti, the country, and also to diaspora members that want to enrich their experience in Haiti and enrich their personal, professional experience as well.
Ce que je fais aujourd'hui, moi expliquer comment tout pays qui a des diasporas importantes à l'étranger, ils organisé pour servir avec opportunité que diaspora a représenté pour relancer tête. Mais Haïti est condamné dans une forme de question de transfert dans les diasporas, plutôt que la diaspora comme un patrimoine, comme un gisement de potentialité pour intégrer mieux dans la façon de faire politique publique dans le pays.